This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Marianne Navarro. Step into a world of sophistication and elegance with this impeccably crafted homes by West Bay Ballast Point floor plan. Built in 2022, this exceptional home offers over 3,180 square feet of luxurious living space on a sprawling 0.32-acre lot, 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms nestled within the upscale Bexley community. As you approach, the home's striking paver brick driveway and split 3-car epoxied garage set the stage for the refined beauty that awaits inside. Designed with the finest materials and a seamless open concept layout, this home features soaring ceilings, custom accent walls, and exquisite wood-look porcelain tiles throughout the main living areas, creating a welcoming atmosphere of elegance and comfort. The heart of this home lies in the chef's kitchen, where no detail has been overlooked. Espresso cabinetry is paired with luxurious quartz countertops, while upgraded stainless steel appliances and a natural gas range ensure both style and functionality. The kitchen is highlighted by an elegant subway backsplash laid in a striking pattern, offering both visual interest and timeless sophistication. Adjacent to the kitchen, the expansive dining and living areas feature generous windows that bathe the space in natural light, enhanced by custom accent walls that add a touch of artistry and refinement. This floor plan offers a perfect blend of style and functionality, featuring an oversized flex room, and an intimate bonus study nook with ample desk space. Upstairs, the Grand Loft offers endless possibilities, whether for an additional family area, media room, or quiet retreat. The primary suite is a private sanctuary, featuring a spa-inspired bath with dual quartz split vanities, a garden tub, and a large deluxe walk-in shower, all designed with relaxation in mind. The walk-in closet ensures a large storage solution for your wardrobe. 2 additional bedrooms share a beautifully designed bathroom with dual sinks and a tub/shower combo. Step outside to your private backyard oasis. The covered lanai opens to a lush 0.32-acre lot, offering uninterrupted conservation views, ensuring complete privacy and a serene setting for outdoor living. Whether you're unwinding or entertaining, this peaceful retreat offers the ideal backdrop for enjoying the beauty of nature in luxury. Bexley is one of Tampa Bay's most sought-after communities, offering resort-style amenities that cater to every lifestyle. Enjoy a state-of-the-art clubhouse with an on-site cafe, 3 pristine swimming pools, a fitness center, soccer fields, dog parks, tennis, pickleball courts and a BMX bike park. Residents also enjoy miles of scenic trails, perfect for biking, jogging, or simply enjoying nature. The Bexley Hub is home to convenient dining, shopping, and professional services, all within the community, offering an unparalleled level of